Alright, so we're going to start with the installation. Now that I have my VirtualBox, my Windows machine running here, I'm going to download the Oracle Database Express. Oh, I don't want to do this right now. The Oracle Database Express. And let's see how that is easy to install. So I just type Oracle Database Express. I'm going to go here to downloads. So we're using the Express edition, not the Oracle 11G. So here it's going to ask me before I can download Windows 64, because that's the operating system that I have, I had to accept the license. Once I do, I have an account already. I'm going to press in there. It's going to ask me to sign in. See, I already have I created an account. So now the only thing that I do is sign in with my email and then input my password. So you do have to create an account in order to download, and it's going to ask you for the company. You should put that you are a student. You should put the name of the university, CUNY, and the address of the university, and that's it that you need. For also here I'm downloading. I'm gonna excuse me, still sick. I'm gonna ask to save as I download. So it's gonna take a few seconds to download the file. So some people are having trouble signing into Oracle, so you have to create a whole new account. So that's important, and you should use your email and then create a password with your information, and that's required. If it is not required, you don't want to put it in, that's fine. So let's wait a little more. And I'm sorry that I haven't done the video sooner. I was very sick, as you can as you can see. I still not well. All right, so here we're gonna go, and I'm just gonna go and copy this from my desk into my desktop. And here I'm just gonna go right click, and I had to do is extract all. You had to extract the things from your zip, and I'm gonna extract them to my document folder. I like to put them there. So I'm just gonna put all the files that been from extract from that zip folder to my documents, and it's been extract now. Extracting all the documents. And if some step is not clear, you can always go back, pause it, and look and try to figure it out. So here I have my documents, and here is the file they're going to use to install. So I'm just going to go double click. When it says set up, I'm going to go and run as an administrator. So now I'm going to say yes, I do want this to modify, and then the installation is going to start. So I'm installing the Oracle Database 11 Express. So pretty much it's the same that is in the book. So if you look in the book, you can use that to either create your database on the browser or in your desktop. So next, and we're going to accept the license. Next, and in here is telling you destination folder where all your databases are going to be saved and all your files. Here I'm going to enter a password. make sure that you type and you save that password somewhere, because you're going to need to log in into the when you log into the SQL Plus, it might ask you for your username and password. So I put a password, and I'm gonna show you the default usernames that this database use. Usually sys, SYS, or system, SYSTEM, or Scott. That's another one. HR is another one. So it's a few default usernames and passwords that you can use with Oracle until you configure your own username and password. Maybe I can have water. So in the meantime that this is installing, this the installation is being done. I already have the icon here in my desktop. I installed this Oracle Express in my other virtual machine, and unfortunately when I double click it to start, it didn't work. So what I had to do was restart Windows. I had to restart it somehow. After I restart the Windows operating system at work. Might not be the same case with this one, but the other one that I use as a virtual machine, I had to restart the operating system. So if it's taking a little bit too long, just forward all the way to when this is done, and we can move forward. It's going to take a few minutes. It's configuring the database. It's taking a while. Wow, this is taking forever.